What's up guys, Mr. Giat here, and today we're gonna check part 2 of aircraft showcase. So I think we should not start with this section, and we should start with the one which there was an extra door, hangar 2, which is I think this one, hangar 2. So let's go. So first the plane that I saw before was I think an Ant-22. Why is everything not loading? Okay, we have an Ant-22. Solid. It kind of looks ugly for some reason. Tell me if it looks ugly or not. Su-57. C-17. I really like this one. Then Boeing 747 with a space shuttle, and then Antonov with a space shuttle. The ATR-72, like the cargo version, and the 737F. Then we have a 707 and an ATR-72 here, the normal version. Here's the E-190, and then a Beechcraft B-260, and this is one of Cessna 208A Cargo Master. So I think this hangar, maybe when new updates come, you'll get better and more planes. So I guess guys, what?